Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to sound more like a Native American English speaker, learning idioms is one of the fastest ways. Today, I'm sharing the 5 most common American English idioms that natives use every single day in 2026. These are expressions you'll hear in conversation, at work, with friends, in movies, and even on TikTok or Instagram. By the end of this video, you will understand them and know exactly how to use them naturally. Let's dive in. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss more English tips. Number 1. Piece of cake. This means something is very easy to do. It comes from the idea that eating a piece of cake is simple and enjoyable. Example sentence: the English test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 20 minutes. Example 2. Don't worry about cooking dinner tonight. Ordering food is a piece of cake with these apps. Idiom number 2. Hit the nail on the head. This means you said or understood something exactly right. Imagine hammering a nail perfectly. You hit it straight on. Sentence 1. You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly why the project is delayed. Example number 2. In a meeting, your colleague says, the real problem is poor communication. You reply, yes, you hit the nail on the head. Natives love this one because it gives quick positive feedback. Idiom number 3, call it a day. This means to stop working or doing an activity because you have done enough for the day. It's time to rest. Example sentence 1. After working for 8 hours, your boss says, you have made good progress. Let's call it a day. Example sentence 2. I have been studying for 3 hours. I think I'll call it a day and watch a movie. It's very common in American workplace and schools. Break the ice. This means to do or say something that makes people feel more relaxed and comfortable when they first meet or in an awkward situation. Example sentence 1. At the party, I told a funny joke to break the ice. Example sentence 2. The team building games help break the ice between the new employees and the old team. Idiom number 5, spill the tea. You can also say spill the beans. Both are used, but spill the tea feels very current right now. This means to share gossiping or tell someone the secret or juicy information. For example, okay, spill the tea. What really happened at the meeting yesterday? Example number 2. My friend spilled the tea about the celebrity breakup. It was everywhere on social media. Trying replacing normal sentences with these idioms. Instead of it was easy, say it was a piece of cake. You will sound much more fluent. So, which of these 5 idioms did you already know? Which one did you start using first? Drop your answer in the comments below and spill the tea if you have a funny story. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and who are learning English, and subscribe for more practical American lessons.